You are going to love the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, ventilated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.